Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video tutorial. Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to use Trello to organize your work. Okay, so this is Trello, and Trello is used for teamwork and collaboration. And yeah, this is the website, so you can read all of this stuff. I'll just go ahead and show you how to use it. All right. So here we have a login and sign up. I already have an account, so you can hit sign up, and yeah, this is where it takes you to. But I have an account already, so I just log in. So you go ahead and create an account. I used Google, so continue with Google. This is the account I used. Boom. Okay, I'm logged in. That was a lot of waiting. So what Trello does is we have what we call workspaces here, and we have boards. You can check out the templates to see they have a lot of templates you can use. Okay, but it's not that difficult to create, so you just go over the boards. This is the home. We have workspaces. Right now this is Michael King's workspace, so you can create a workspace down here, and you can call it whatever name you want to call it, and what type of workspace it is. You can choose from education to sales, whatever it is. Then have a little description here, and then you continue. Well, I'm just going to do that right quickly, and let's say this is let's say curriculum developers workspace. Okay, we can do that. All right, and then we're just gonna call it this is for IT, so I'll just use that. We organize our tasks, right, for creating amazing curriculum, right? This works. Did I make okay? Yeah. Thank you very much, Grammarly. I have Grammarly everywhere. Okay. So, and then I'll do this later. You can invite anybody to your workspace, and I'll do that later. So now I have curriculum developers, and I have Michael King's workspace. So right here we have boards, and you can create a new board here. You can search your boards. All of these are templates. I can just take this out. Right, so this is our workspace. So all the boards we create will be here. So it's very easy to create a board. You just click on this, and then add the title of the board, and I could say let's just say development. I don't really know what to say. Okay, so I create it, and now development is here. Now the very beautiful things you can do with this, okay, that's my background, but I may not want that eventually. So okay, so we can add. Trello has what we call lists. So lists tell the group of activities you want to do. It's just like a to-do list, right? So now we have one of the lists. We can call it a backlog. You're gonna need this list of tasks to do. Another list, we're gonna call it defined. If we already have it defined, then we're gonna call this in progress, right? If you started working on it, then we'll call this completed. I gotta put a capital, completed. And then the next we're gonna have accepted. So if your boss says okay, that's fine, I like it, and then you can just end here. So right now these are all the lists, and you can now add cards to your lists. So this is very simple. Everything is just a click, 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 we can add a card here, and we can call this let's say robotics, right? So curriculum for the robotics, and we can say this is for aquatic engineering. Yes, making mistakes in my typing. Aquatic engineering. So I'm trying to make this as fast as possible. So now you see we have two lists over there. Look at it, and then you can drag and drop them anywhere you want once you're done with it. Okay, makes sense. So right here we can add a description of robotics and save it. So I could just say building or creating creative content for the robotics team, right? And we can save that, and then we can have activities down here, and this activity is actually what happened. So we can add members to this card, we can add a label to this card, we can do a checklist. So if you want to say, okay, I've been able to create probably you have like 10 topics for the robotics curriculum you want to create. So let's say the first one is I don't really know what to say about the robotics. So let's just say the first thing you want to do is the engineering design plan, right? That's what you want to teach them first. I'm just saying you could have that there, and then the next one you probably have I just thought of some. Okay, yeah, the flow charts. Right, you have something like this. Now you have this one, right? You're probably not done it yet. Okay, so probably that's what you're on, and then you can add another one. Let's say oh yes, I don't know, I'm just putting things, problem solving. Okay, so it definitely would say you're on this one. Oh, I think they're messing things up. So I think what I'm supposed to do here is you add a checklist and you add a title for the checklist. So the checklist is topics, right, to cover. Sorry about that, I totally forgot. Yeah, so topics to cover, and the first one is, let's say, engineering design plan, right? Sorry about the noise, I can't control it. The next one is flowchart, and the next is, like I wrote, problem solving. Right, so now we have all of this. So whenever we be done with engineering design plan, you have 33% over it, flowchart, and now we're done with that. So that's just the way you can track your progress, and anybody connected to your board can see your progress. All right, so, and you can set dates to complete this thing. So you have a start date. Okay, I'm gonna start on the 15th, and it's gonna be due on the 23rd. I'm just saying, you can save that. So now you have a date to it, and if it's done, you can just take it and it says it's complete. Then you have attachments, you can add pictures to this place, you can add links to it. I think, yeah, you can even add cover, right? So whatever it is, I could just use this and it becomes the cover for that, and I can remove it. Then you can add comments here if you're in a group. So this is me commenting, and any other person can comment on this card. So that's basically it, and that's how you create your workspace. You create your board and you share it with anybody. You can invite anybody. You could just write your email address. I could say let's say I think I can remember my boss's something like this, you know. I'm just showing you an example. You can invite anybody here, right? And send invitation, and they receive the invitation and they're on Trello. So that's it as the tutorial. So right here, if you see what I did, there's a pen icon here. Click on it and you open card, you edit labels, change members, change color, whatever it is. If you don't want to go deep into the other window, so you can just do, yeah, if you don't want to come here, you can just make the edits from here. So that's it, guys. The next video, I'm going to show you how to link Trello to Slack. So see you there.